Hello, everyone. So this is my Corbin cleaned up. It came out pretty good. I only left it in the vinegar for about 6 hours, and there was a layer of, some people might call that patina, but I call it dirt because there was a bunch of dirt and gunk and rust on it. And I was using a rag to rub it down with a little knife like this Rough Rider. If you're careful, you can kind of like scrape along as long as you don't change your angle down too much. That helped get in the corners here and clean everything out. I took the shackle and cleaned it off using that sanding blocks thing, and just trying to knock off most of the rust. Then I went down here and I dug out the rust on all of the little engagement notches, so it's nice and tight, and the thing fits in there perfectly fine. It really engages tight now, whereas it wouldn't before. And it can be opened up with the large single warded pick thing. You just pull up on a shackle and try to find the engager wherever he is. Make a liar out of me, why don't you? Maybe it was the double head. I probably don't use the single head on it. Yep, this is double. So yeah, it works fine. Cleaned up fairly well. And it still has, an aged look to it and patina, but that's what I did on that. To clean it up. Great little lock. Thank you for watching, and happy picking, everyone.